Hey everyone, this is Ricky from DeekX Pop, back with another unboxing video. And again, I found myself some valuable collectibles while I was visiting the 99-cent store. This time, I found these Blizzard cute but deadly minifigs. This is a Series 4, and I thought, you know what, this would be really interesting. Again, it's another one that, when they came out, sold for about $10 each box. But I was able to find a pretty sizable amount of these at the 99-cent store for just $3. So I bought everything that they had, and I figured, you know what, let's go ahead and let's do this in another video. So here we go. We're gonna open these 6 first. I still have a full case in my room, but for right now we're just gonna open these 6 and see what we get. So let's go ahead and just scoot these over to the side, so we can concentrate on one of these at a time. And let's see what we get. So let's see here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really hoping for a lot more Overwatch figures than anything else. We'll see what we get, won't we? And got my trusty scissors here. Oh, actually, we may not need the scissors this time. So, got ourselves a little stand here. I got this cute figure here. Not gonna lie, I'm not too familiar with it. I'm not really familiar with a lot of Blizzard. I know the main WoW characters, and I definitely know Overwatch, but other than that, I'm not too familiar. But this is a cool figure to start off. Moving on to the next one. Oh, these boxes are not as easy as the. These boxes are not as easy to open as the Horizon one, but we'll make do. So. All right. And I'm definitely familiar with Torbjorn, so that's awesome. This character looks kind of cool right there. Let's go ahead and get the next one open. And since these boxes are not opening easy, I have no obligation to try to open them myself. Nothing else in there, huh? I guess that first one was Necromancer. And like I said, not familiar with Necromancer, so. And where is the. Here we go. And what do we have here? Definitely really cool. Mira Han. Can't say I'm too familiar with this character either, but looks really cool. Nice looking detail there. Still more excited about Torbjorn. And let's go for the next box here. Alright. This box out the way. Oh! Well, that just fell out like crazy. And I'm not gonna lie, this is probably gonna be my favorite out of this whole set. It's D.Va, one of my favorite characters in Overwatch. That looks really cute and awesome. So definitely cute but deadly there. Oh, I have Butterfingers. This is why I never made it to professional football. Box out the way. What do we have here? Oh. What is this guy's name? Gray something, right? Greymane, there we go. He's definitely bigger than every other figure here. Jeez. Easily bigger than Torbjorn. But it looks pretty cool. And the last box of this group. Box is being a little difficult. Excuse me for a second. Who would this character be? This is another character I'm not too familiar with. Ava, huh? Cute looking character. Yeah, for sure. Definitely pretty cute. Alright, and after some minor assembly, this is what they look like all together. Kind of a little miffed because I've been trying for the last 5-6 minutes to fit Greymane onto his face, but for some reason he just doesn't it doesn't align. So I think the wrong base may have been packaged with this, because these two little knobs here where his indents are supposed to go don't fit. They're too thin for him to fit in there, so a little annoyed with that. But other than that, all these little figures look really cool. Kind of happy with what I got. You know, kind of really cool when you find something you wanted initially, but at $10 a box, this would have been $60 right here. As it was at $3 each, $18 total. So can't complain. That's why I say check the local stores. You never know what you're gonna find later on. Anyway, I hope you guys had a good time. Hope you guys drop a like, share, and subscribe. And this has been Ricky for GeekX Pop. Hope to see you all in the next one. Bye.